How many times have you been in a situation where somebody gives you a coordinate and you need to plot where that coordinate is quickly and accurately? Or you're so used to working in MGRS, somebody decides to give you a coordinate like in a lat long format. Well, I'm going to show you the perfect plugin to help you out with this, and it's called the Go-To tool. It happens to be in my toolbar up top, and basically what it looks like is a globe, and at the very bottom it has an arrow to it. And we're going to pull that up. And it so happened that, you know, I'm in MGRS, but I happen to be passed a coordinate for a point in degrees, minutes, seconds. So I'm just going to go up to the top here and hit degrees, minutes, seconds, and then I'm going to fill it out. And I know that my latitude was 35 degrees, 28 minutes, 22.88 seconds, and then my longitude was negative. And the reason why we use negative is if you don't use negative, you're going to find yourself putting a coordinate in China, okay? So that negative is going to make sure that you're in the United States, negative 79 degrees at 8 minutes at 39.76 degrees seconds. And then when I hit next, I'm going to come on down here. And then I'm just going to put a clover leaf. And I'm going to hit OK. And it's going to zip me to where that location was. And so now you notice if I click on this icon and pull it up over here to my, at the top of my screen to my right, underneath my toolbar, you have your MGRS coordinate for that coordinate that was given to you in degrees, minutes, seconds. So this is the way I wanted to show you how great ATAK is and how powerful it is just to do quick coordinate conversion for you at the drop of a hat.